Chef Carol, and today I'm going to make red velvet ketogenic cookies with white chocolate. To do this, I'm going to use a half a cup of butter that's going to be melted. I have 3/4 cup or 150 grams of granulated erythritol. I have 1 large egg. I'm going to be using 1.5 tablespoons of red velvet bakery emulsion. I'm going to use 1.5 cups or 195 grams of almond flour. I have 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I have a half a teaspoon of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of fine sea salt. I also have 2 tablespoons of almond milk, and I have 4 ounces of white chocolate, sugar-free. These are my ingredients. Let's get to it. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. So I'm going to start by mixing my dry ingredients together. That's going to be the flour, the cocoa powder, the baking soda, and the salt. Next, I'm going to melt the butter, and then I'm going to mix the butter and the sugar in my KitchenAid until they're well blended. I'm going to mix this for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm not beating it because I don't want to add too much air into the mix. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of the red velvet bakery emulsion. You can also use food coloring and vanilla extract. I like this particular product. And this is going to mix for about 1 to 2 minutes. I'll scrape down the side of the bowl, then I will add in the milk. Once this is combined, I'm going to add in the white chocolate, and I'm going to use a small scoop to put the cookies on a pan that I've prepared with parchment. Now, it's supposed to make 24 cookies. So depending on the size that you like, I'm using a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop. I'm adding in 1/3 cup of white chocolate. I'm using half because I want to put some on the tops. Leave space because the cookies will spread out. going to give the cookies just a little press. The oven is ready. So I'm going to put these in the oven for about 12 minutes. The cookies are out of the oven. They look very good. And because they are almond cookies, I actually have to let them stay in the pan until they are about cool, because almond flour is very delicate and the cookies will fall apart. So until they're cooled, I can't actually remove them from the sheet. So I'll be looking forward to this delicious treat at my next meal. I hope you try it, and if you do, let me know what your results are. I have no doubt these cookies are going to be delicious because I've used very good ingredients. So bon appetit. See you next time.